I'd rather have a pet bird. Wait, pet bird? What? I want a pet bird. Koopa? No, Goofy, it's mine. Oh, dare to take this. Oh. Nobody tries to take the bird. What? I missed. I'm winning the challenge so far, this bird battle. Hey! Hey! No! Yes, I got the bird. Now, nobody. Give it back. No! Yes, I got the bird. So fast. Hey! Hey! Yuri! I don't want it anymore. No! I think it's... Give me back the bird. No, you give it back to me. No. I'm gonna try to take it now. What? No, you can't take that bird. I'm taking... No, it's mine. Mine. Yes. We all could have... You should have wanted me to have it. I hit you both normally, but you were just gonna hurt me up for it, so I'm just gonna do him. What? Oh! If it grabs over, I'm gonna have to take it away. Bird fight is over. Ooh. Like this bird. Hey, that's mine. No, this is mine. You actually had it before, then you took it away. So now when I was fine with the other people, lost it. I also lost it. Say, well. But I want that bird. No, this is my bird. Get your own. I really want. Hey, you're not gonna have any if you like it or not. Come on, do it. Hey, what am I thinking? I'm just gonna go back. No, you didn't. My bird. No, my bird. I bought it. I should have the bird. So that happened. The bird just died. Oh. No! I have to go ahead to get it. Oh. I'm upset now. No, you don't destroy it. It was my bird, and you had no choice but to decide to just go ahead and Get away. Ow! Da, da. No. Oh, that was weird. You never wished that you didn't wishes. Oh man, I can't want to fall down now.